What's up, YouTube? It's Whitney, finally, after a year. Thank you. With JP Street and Performance. Today I'm going to be working on my rear differential on my Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. Beautiful white car.
All right, you guys, so we are actually going to try to flush the rear differential on the Mercedes because we are having a engagement of the limited slip, even though tires aren't breaking traction. So when we take off from every stop sign, it's going thunk, 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 thunk. And when we come to a stop, several seconds later, all of a sudden the rear end will go thunk. So we're hoping we don't have to replace the whole rear end. We're going to try a flush first, see if that fixes it. So this is kind of a service video for you guys.
Hi. So we're going to remove the drain plug with a 5mm Allen wrench. Just like that. Well, sort of.
Should be able to get it out by hand now.
Okay, thanks.
There you go.
Ew. Oh, okay.
All right, as you guys can actually see, it does have a little bit of discoloration. So we're also going to remove, just to help it drain, we're going to remove the fill plug, which is this one here. So. That'll help it from. Okay. There we go.
Okay, here's the
That's
short
one fill plug. And then for us, you guys, just kind of, we are going to remove our electric motor that is here. This is 4mm Allen. We're going to pull this out and just inspect it just while we're in here, make sure it's clean. We'll do some brake clean to clean it off if we have to, but we're going to let this drain. All right, so 2 4mm Allens for the solenoid here. We're gonna go ahead and clean that off. You see it's got a lot of, it's pretty black. We're gonna clean that off. I believe there's a little screen inside the plastic housing there, so we'll clean that all off and then reinstall it, just so we know that this is working properly.
Hi guys, so we're using a Redline 75W85 gear oil specific to Mercedes-Benz. So
yes, and on our particular model, it takes the Mercedes-Benz right here. It takes the 235.62, and as you see, it does not show it on here, but if you go to Redline's website, and I'll put a picture here in the description, but it includes the 0.62. Now, you guys will need to make sure, very, very, very important, that you use the correct gear oil in these Mercedes differentials. So yours may not be the same as ours, so make sure you do your own research.
okay, we're gonna start by putting the plug back in.
So you guys will need a little hand pump. This is from FCP Euro. The brand is CTA 7077. If you go to their website, FCP Euro, you can get this, which has this adapter specifically for if it's Mercedes BMW, Audis. So, and this will just thread perfectly, and you can see it's got a flat spot on it, so it'll leak out when it gets to the full mark, but it'll thread perfectly into the filler hole, like so. Now you don't need one of these. You can hand squeeze if you put it in a squeeze bottle or a syringe and fill it slowly that way. This is just a nice tool to have. So, and then this piece comes with it, which threads on to that piece, like so. And then the rubber adapter will connect to your line there. So we'll go ahead and fill this thing up. We'll time lapse it real quick because no point watching a boring filling procedure. And then you guys want to make sure after you get it filled, you'll see it have a steady little drizzle. That's when you know it's filled, and then you're just going to snug it down. I'll take it.
And that's how you change the rear differential fluid on a Mercedes-Benz CLA 250, guys. Thanks for watching.
Little JP debut. All right, you guys, so that seemed to fix our rear end issue. So if you guys are having the same problem with the rear differential staying engaged, clunking as you're taking off, turning right or left, making noise, I would start with trying to do a flush first. And yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching, guys.